This video demonstrates how to incorporate write-block or wblock files into the block library for use in the floor plan view drawing. You can always draft your own plan view symbols, or you can use symbols drafted by third-party vendors, such as archblocks.com. With any outside vendor, it is important to verify the validity of the drafted objects. Check the following. The blocks should be drafted in imperial units. Soft unit conversions from metric to imperial units may not be accurate enough for your drawing, especially when drafting objects that follow precise design standards, such as cabinetry. Once you have downloaded the doorsymbols.dwg file, import it into the AutoCAD block library. To do this, at the command line type Insert, return Enter key. On a Mac, you will see the blocks that are embedded specific to this drawing here: elevation symbol, column symbol, title bar callout, and title block. Tab over to the icon entitled Block Libraries. Pick on the drop-down menu and pick on the Browse Block Libraries. Pick on this band. Navigate to the location of the wblock file for doors that you downloaded for this assignment. Pick on the doors.dwg file, and then pick on the Open button. This will populate the AutoCAD block library with the door blocks. For each place a door is required, use the distance command to determine what size door symbol you will need. The front door is a 36-inch wide door. Locate this size door in the block library. In the block library, double-click on the door symbol that matches this dimension. Accurately place the door using O-snaps. Make sure that the door is located on the correct layer assignment for this object type. Repeat this process for all of the doors in this drawing. All doors to rooms should be 36 inches wide. You may need to modify the walls at the door jamb to accommodate the correct door size. Doors for pantries, closets, utility spaces, etc. do not have to conform to the 36-inch wide standard. Select doors for these spaces that fit the space, which will be less than 36 inches wide. Adjust interior door openings to accommodate standard door sizes. When you are finished, the drawing should resemble the example here. If you understand what you are supposed to be doing, continue on your own. However, if you would like further explanation of what you would likely see on the job and how you might address those challenges, continue watching this video. Let's take a closer look at the drawing file and some of the flaws that you will need to address to clean up the floor plan. Take note of which layers the object lines have been organized onto in this example. There is a step up to the front door, which is a transition threshold. Consult the AIA Layer Standards handout provided in the Graphic Standards module. In this instance, a new layer was created, a floor riser. As you get deeper into the floor plan development, you will need to consult the AIA Layer Standards for the architecture and interior design layers to supplement those that you created in the previous assignment. This room is the only bedroom on the first floor level. This room should have a 36 wide door to enter the space. Adjust the door opening to accommodate this requirement. The bedroom has a reach-in closet with 2 sets of bifold doors. Adjust the opening as needed to fit the standardized doors provided in the block library of symbols. Inside the reach-in closet is the location of the water heater. The water heater closet also has a bifold door. The next area contains a hallway, stacked washer and dryer, linen closet, and the only bathroom on the first floor. A 36-inch wide door to the bathroom is missing here, but should be added. Bifold doors enclose the linen closet and the stacked washer and dryer enclosure. The double lines represent the cased opening above the 4-foot cutting plane. This area represents the anteroom area and stairs to the second floor level. Traffic flows through the anteroom by 3 cased openings. The transition to the great room area is flanked by 2 decorative arts and crafts style columns. Consult the AIA layer handout, located in the Graphic Standards module to determine which layer best fits this description, and then create a layer suitable for the columns. You will need to clean up the line work around the columns so that it depicts a clean division of objects. The pocket door graphic seen here depicts the space under the stairs, adjacent to the kitchen as the space for a pantry. This is the kitchen area. The kitchen can be accessed through the anteroom or from the outside through the set of double doors, including a set of double storm doors. The double doors that swing inside the kitchen space are the regular doors, and the double doors that swing outside the space are the storm doors. This door represents a secondary entry to the home from the exterior. The door in this space should be 36 inches wide. Finally, the last stop on the tour is the great room. This room is enclosed on two sides by windows. There are glass double doors at the end of the space, secured by an exterior set of storm doors, exactly like those just shown in the kitchen area. You will need to fit the set of double doors along this elevation, without changing the dimension of the center wall area, shown here. The wall dimension of the wall must remain intact for a planned television and entertainment installation. Make all wall modifications and adjustments for the doors at the end of the wall elevation, and not from the center wall area. The wall dimension in this area cannot be modified. The ceiling height of the great room extends to the roof line of the second level. This ends the tour of the Gatekeeper's house for this assignment.